How to fix Instagram notifications not working on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram notifications not working on Android or iOS phone. First, go to settings and scroll down until you find battery, and here make sure power saving mode is disabled, and then go to apps and then click apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and go notifications, and here you can manage notifications, and that's it. And if that doesn't fix it, and if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.